Assalamualaikum everyone. I am so excited today to be with someone that I can actually have a fanboy moment with. Um, I don't even know if I should introduce him, but Sean,
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब?
Pakistan's leading man, leading actor, mashallah, director, producer. Well, I'm going to jump right into it,
Okay,
Sean.
go ahead, go ahead.
So, your career began in the late 80s, early 90s with Bulandi.
Yeah, I was 16 and I couldn't finish high school at that time because I was back from New York where my parents were here, my mother was here. और उससे पहले मैं एचिसन कॉलेज में था, 8th ग्रेड से मैं चला गया न्यूयॉर्क टू स्टडी और दो तीन 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 साढ़े तीन साल बाद आई हैड टू कम बैक फॉर माय सिस्टर्स वेडिंग एंड आई वाज ऑफर्ड फिल्म एंड माय मदर वांटेड मी टू स्टे. उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि आपने करनी है. मैंने कहा जी मुझे तो आइडिया ही नहीं है हाउ टू एक्ट. आई वांट टू बी अ लॉयर. I want to because I always thought that I had a much for details and I could be very good at law. And but my Amma said, KG, I want somebody who should keep the father's name alive, the legacy of the family, because my mother comes from that particular film industry, and my father comes from there, and this is the third generation in a way that's we've been making
Mashallah.
films since 1952, and so I said, okay, I don't know how to act, but obviously everybody acts now. I know. So I ventured out. मैंने देखा कि क्या क्या हो रहा है पाकिस्तान में, कैसी फिल्म बनती है ना. I got the shock of my life when I went and saw the film. So I came back and I said, Mom, what are you doing? I mean, like, this is it's going to be very difficult for me to do what you're telling me to do. She said, नहीं ये बिल्कुल और तरह की फिल्म है. It's an Urdu film. It's about love story and all. So I said, okay, fine. Let's keep a promise. I mean, अगर अच्छी गई film, I'll stay. अगर नहीं अच्छी गई, तो you won't stop me from going back. So my utmost मेरी जो सबसे ज़्यादा कोशिश थी, my utmost thing was that I wanted it to fail and I wanted to go back because so I was not really serious. They told me just आप खड़े हो जाएं, खड़े हो गए, बैठ जाएं, डायलॉग याद कर लें, ये कर लें, वो कर लें. So there came a time when मैंने सोचा कि if we are here, we need to know what I'm doing. I can't just be like a puppet or something. I need to have my freedom in what I do.
Yeah.
तो वो पहली फिल्म अच्छी गई, उसके बाद started working from there. That was a journey in a way.
Interesting. Since then, you've been unique, I think, in the Pakistan industry in that you've taken projects that you have passion for.
Well, even if I didn't have any passion for them, I made sure that I have passion for them. There are a lot of things in life that you don't have passion for, but they're very important for you to do. So you create passion for that. It's not that the passion is.
So the passion lies within, and you tap into
I think
it.
whatever you do in life, if you just have passion for one particular thing, and you can't do anything without apart from that, nothing has passion, then there's no life. Even poetry, romance, eating, going out, talking, anything that you do has to have passion in it. That's what I feel.
Very nice. आपने transition किया है from old school Lollywood films. You were the prototypical Gujar for the longest time, Humayun Gujar film. How did you make that transition from that era of Hollywood films to what is modern day Pakistan? In fact, you've been responsible in large part for crafting the modern day Pakistani film genre.
Well, thank you for that. I mean, I'm humbled by your kind words. There were a lot of people who were, they come along with you. जैसे आप किसी सफ़र पे निकलते हैं, किसी आइडियोलॉजी के ऊपर निकलते हैं. पहली बात तो ये कि जब मैं पाकिस्तान फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आया, तो मुझे लगा कि आई एम अ डॉक्टर वर्किंग इन कॉन्गो. It is important for me. Yeah, I mean, like there was no setup, there was nothing, but see,
Sure.
again, it was very easy for me to leave it the way it was and go find my own thing. But I always felt that there's a reason that I came here and I have to do. See, majority. जैसा आपने बड़ी अच्छी बात की कि मैंने कैसे transition किया. I'm the same. But how do you see my transition is when my client from one area to the other area changes. So as an actor, I have to give them the best that I have. I mean, I have to convince them in whatever I do that I'm a part of you. So for me, if I was doing Punjabi films, I still can't read Punjabi. I have a person who reads for me. Yet I memorize the tone and the way we see it and the way we hear it, and the ledger that comes
The
along with
ledger,
it.
yeah.
So I think any actor, regardless of the fact कि वो कौन सी जुबान बोल रहा है, चाहे वो जानवरों की जुबान बोल रहा हो, उसको अपनी डिटेल वर्क में काम करना है. He has to convince you for that moment in time that that's me. You can trust me. You can be with me. I can entertain you. You have to give me your sorrows and all that to your fans. तो मुझे लगा कि जब जब हमारा आहिस्ता 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 जो कॉमन मैन है उसके पास वैसे ही बहुत कुछ नहीं है. एंटरटेनमेंट जहाँ तक ताल्लुक है, पार्क्स हैं, पब्लिक पार्क्स हैं, उसके अलावा क्या है उनके पास. फिल्म थी उनके पास, वो भी उनके पास नहीं रही. वो फिल्म जब आ गई हमारे एक और जो हमारी एक जो आवाम है, मिडिल क्लास से हायर मिडिल क्लास और एलीट के पास जब वो आई, तो जो कॉमन मैन की जगह थी, जो कॉमन मैन की फिल्म थी, जो कॉमन मैन का ब्रांड था, वो डाई आउट होना शुरू हो गया. जैसे आज आप देखें जॉन वेन, पहले अगर आप देखें तो वो 200 कमर्शियल्स करता होगा अमेरिका में. सो ऑल द जट्स एंड गुज्जर्स आर द जॉन वेन्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान. There has to be a John Wayne film everywhere in the world, regardless of the fact कि वो पाकिस्तान में आके मारा जट होता है, हरकतें उसकी सेम है, गोली लग के मरता है. But that thing,
The hero.
the
Yeah.
rise, the rebellious you. हमारे यहाँ क्योंकि चौधरी और लैंडलॉर्ड्स और उसमें ज़्यादा था, तो हमारा जो जट था या मुजारा जो था, जो आम आदमी था, उसको रिलीफ मिलता था जब वो फिल्म देखता था कि यार ये एक आदमी खड़ा होता है और चौधरी के आगे बोलना शुरू कर. So I think that's how the script generated from there. You have to understand the product and the certain class that you're catering to. Very important. Cinemas उनकी तरह के डिज़ाइन थे, सीट्स, गैलरीज, टिकट उसकी तरह की थी, एंटरटेनमेंट उस तरह का था. बाकी चीज़ें उस तरह की थी, जिस तरह मिसाल के तौर पे even canteens. I mean, you couldn't find popcorns there, but you had burgers, वो जो शामी कबाब वाले बंद कबाब होते हैं वो थे. So there's a huge culture that we just kind of left it somewhere at the edge of time. I always feel that this divide between the common man and the certain class is growing day by day, as far as entertainment is concerned, food is concerned, clothes are concerned, brands are concerned. So we are. I always feel that it's, as far as the brand is concerned, it has to have numbers. You need to have larger numbers. So anyway, that's a different brand strategy and brand ideology in itself. Sorry, excuse me.
No.
So I feel that with time, anyway. So the point is that the common man should be entertained, and that is that is an area where we must work.
Yes.
As far as the scripts are concerned. And then what I don't like is that when we both criticize each other's choices. I mean, there's a lot of criticism on that Pakistani used to make these kind of films and Gujars and Jat and Bala. I think we should own what is ours. It should not be a thing. It should not be a cliche. It shouldn't be uncool to own your things.
Agreed 100%.
Yeah. So
and actually, I have witnessed this myself. The common man loves you. They feel comfortable in walking up to you. The guy with the flowers.
Yeah. I love them and I respect them a lot.
Shan bhai, ek photo.
Their love is so pure. Their love is.
It's amazing.
And
Shan bhai, ek photo.
Thanks for that. Okay, so. They
I think
still
that is
have that connection with
that
you.
love and that care and वो जो उनका जो प्यार है और जो उनका रिश्ता कायम होता है उनके साथ, बड़ा प्योर रिश्ता है. It's just amazing. It doesn't have any egos. It just has respect and love. So I really like that relationship. As far as fans are concerned, I love all my fans. But there are a lot of passionate fans I have, and I feel sorry for them because I can't deliver them what they used to see.
Yeah.
So I mean, अगर इतनी वो था फिल्म, अगर हम इतना उसको क्लीशेड कहते हैं कि गुज्जर और ये और वो या जट, तो by the end of the day we are still making a monster. So I mean, reviving it and branding it as our own is fine, but let's not cut their line also. I'm not saying that they're Pakistanis also. They deserve
Oh
to,
yes.
yeah.
Oh yes.
And nobody in the world, anywhere in the world, the elite never watches cinema. But in Pakistan they do. So, and then they have their own intellectual way of dismantling the film. Then they have their own intellectual way of spoiling a film. See, again, I'm not saying not to criticize. I'm just saying that everybody has an opinion. You can write your opinion, and I can make my opinion. So if you have a right to say write your opinion, I should have a right to make my opinion also.
Absolutely.
So if I'm not putting you in a कटहरा कि जी आपने ये कैसे लिखा, तो आप भी नहीं मुझे खड़ा कर सकते, because right now Pakistan is going through, आप तो ये सोच भी नहीं सकते कि तरक्की याफ्ता ममालिक में अगर आप एंटरटेनमेंट आज ऑफ कर दें बिल्कुल, तो वो आपको तरक्की याफ्ता वाले जो हैं वो बारबेरियंस लगने शुरू हो जाएंगे 1 महीने के अंदर। ये एक entertainment starved nation hai. They, from up till low, everybody has no entertainment. So I think that entertainment calms your mind down. It takes you away from all the bad
Daily
aspects. Like
stressor,
for example, the rising of the drugs. I think that's a big issue. I think I seriously passionately feel so much about it, because our youth, the youth that we wear as a medal on our chest, is actually is under threat. Under threat from these aspects. मुझे बहुत दुख होता है, बहुत जब मैं numbers देखता हूँ, तो वो क्या वजह है? I feel that an entertained mind is a balanced mind. So when you don't find the entertainment or the platforms for that, कि आपके अंदर जो भी talent है उसका platform ही यहाँ पे नहीं है, तो उससे होता ये है कि then you try to find escape, and when you try to find escape, that is when the drug area comes in. I mean, somebody wants to.
The mind needs release. It needs
yeah, I mean,
escape.
there are things that you're born with, and then there are things that the society wants you to do. The pressures that they want you to go through. Some people are singers; they end up being politicians. Some people are great actors; they end up being electrical engineers. With all due respect to them, I'm not saying because your education system is churning out professionals. I mean professionals in every business apart from arts. Art is still like a wild mushroom. It will grow in the jungle someday, and we all like it, and then we'll say, okay, fine, this is good. I mean, the whole world gave Khan Sahab PhD ki degree, and nobody in Pakistan, no university or college has given Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan a PhD music ki degree. So I think all these aspects need to change, rather than the issues and confusion that we have with each other. I think उससे बेहतर ये है कि हम लोग वो काम शुरू करें जिससे हमारे जो बच्चे हैं, जो यूथ है हमारी, उनको प्लेटफॉर्म मिले अपने टैलेंट्स को प्रमोट करने का. They have an opinion about everybody, but they don't have an opinion about themselves. And if you don't have an opinion about yourself, that means you're running away from the fact that you don't want to sit down with yourself and say, who am I? So that who am I question, I'm dodging, and that's why
one, yeah.
I'm going to say, who are you? It's easier for me to say who are you than who am I. So I personally feel that I think that is where the drug thing comes in. It takes you out of your.
So let's talk about your new film. You got a fantastic project coming out called Zarar.
Yes,
बताएं उसके बारे
Zarar
में.
is coming out. It's the first spy thriller of Pakistan. It's a lovely film. I mean, we shot it in Turkey, we shot it in London, we shot in Pak Afghan border, and we shot in Lahore, we shot in Karachi. So the whole crew came out from London. We wrapped up the project in about 90 days. It was fun. I mean, it's a brand that has not been used before. It's not your regular action film. It's a very different take on things. It's based on true threats, not true events, but true threats. So the true threats that Pakistan is facing right now are going to be seen in them, how to deal with them, and how to go about them. The action sequences are great. The music is lovely. Inshallah, 23rd March, we're going to be coming out with the trailer.
Beautiful.
But I'll send you the teaser so you can put it on your show.
Fantastic. I look forward to that. Okay. One very important question. How is it that you're a year younger than me, but you look like you're 10 years younger than me?
Oh.
What's your secret? Out with it.
Well, my secret is I eat healthy. I love going to the gym. I'm a very outdoor person. I still do my own gardening. I love going out. I cut my own grass. I do my own plants. I love spending the day outdoors. I'll play sports. I'm not a TV guy, or I'm not a Xbox guy. I'm more um, outdoor guy. So so for me, the whole um, lifestyle has to be. I mean, because you are who you are, so you have to stay in an office, all day.
Mm.
I think that takes a lot of toll. So you could do small little things. If I were you, I would probably buy a very good bike and go to my work on bicycle, and I'll probably, I don't know, take up a serious sport in life, like, so, and eat good, sleep well, and live by the heart. So I think living the golden words is more important than saying them. Um, Pakistan is going through a lot right now. We all need to have trust in each other, in the people who are running it. Um, we should trust our own. We should know our own. Don't spread fake news. Don't support any agendas. Um, it is such a beautiful country that has been given to us. So I feel that, I mean, it is all about love and care and loving the motherland, and taking responsibility for whatever you think is wrong. Um, we as Pakistani have to align together in a lot of things. There's so much time to hate, and we don't have time for love. So I think we should we have so many days, so let's make a no opinion day. So shouldn't be judged, should be loved. Um, so there are 10,000 things that could um, not unite us, but I think there's only one thing that unites us, and that is our care and love, and our, our, our human touch, the human element that we have in each other. So with time, I don't know, जैसा मैंने पहले कहा कि फिर मुलाकात होती नहीं होती, लेकिन जब तक है तब तक हम बहुत प्यार से रह सकते हैं। पाकिस्तान को अपने मुस्तकबिल जो हमारा आने वाला है उसको बहुत अच्छी तरह उनके हवाले कर सकते हैं, ना कि हम प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ करें। हम अपने लीडर्स के लिए लड़ते हैं, हमें अपने लिए लड़ना चाहिए। हमें चाहिए कि हम बेहतरी को आगे लेके आएँ, ना कि उसे हम सिर्फ इसलिए कि वो हमारी पार्टी का नहीं है, हम उसकी बुराई को भी, उसकी अच्छाई को भी बुराई कर दें। So there's a lot of politics going on in Pakistan. I think we need to